Hello children, happy to meet you all again with yet another topic. There are 118 elements which we classify them as metals, metalloids and non-metals. The non-metals are 17 in number like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, so on, and metalloids like boron, silicon, germanium and many. Leaving them, the rest of them are all metals. And today we are going to discuss about the properties of metals. 95 elements are found to be metallic in nature. Now let us see things around us. For example, you are viewing this video in a mobile phone or on a laptop. What is it made of? Can you just say? You're sitting on a chair. What is it made of? You're using a table. What is it made of? Yes, they all contain metal as well as non-metals. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of metals. Let us start with the metals, their shining nature. All of you would have seen the ornaments are shining, is it not? The bangle, necklace, earring, all of them they shine. Does it mean that gold and silver shine and other elements do not? Every metal has a metallic luster. This shining property is called as metallic luster. You can see here a ladle which could have been made of aluminium metal or steel. It too also has the metallic luster. When these utensils are dropped, what happens? Have you noticed? Do they break? No, they do not. It means metals are hard. Metals are malleable. Have you all seen plates made of aluminium, gold, copper and zinc and many more? What does it mean? When beaten with a hammer, these metals can be made into sheets, and this property is called as malleability. The metals are malleable in nature. You all might have noticed metallic wires. There are many different metallic wires. Is it not? Whether it is an ornament or in the form of wire, metals have the property that they can be drawn into thin wires. This property of making wires is called as ductility. Metals are ductile in nature. A gram of gold can be drawn into thin wire up to 2 km distance. Melting and boiling point. These metals have very high melting and boiling point. What is the reason? Because of their arrangement. They are very closely arranged. Due to the forces of attraction, it is very difficult to break, and therefore they have high melting points and boiling points. All metals are solids except mercury. Almost all metals have high density. Another important property is that they are very good conductors. They conduct both heat and electricity. Let's have a short recap. All metals are solids except mercury. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are malleable, ductile, lustrous, high density, high melting and boiling point. Thank you children.